When most people visit an auto show, they focus on the cars, the concept vehicles, the futuristic designs, the massive screens, the latest technology. But there's something else you'll notice almost everywhere you look: promotional staff. No matter which pavilion you enter, whether it's a luxury brand, an electric vehicle company, or a technology startup, you'll usually find professional representatives standing alongside the displays. So why is that? Are they simply there to make the booth look more attractive, or is there a much bigger strategy behind it? The answer reveals a lot about how modern auto shows actually work. Because today's auto shows are no longer just about selling cars. They are about creating an experience. Every year, hundreds of manufacturers compete for attention under one roof. Visitors can only spend so much time at each booth, which means brands are constantly searching for ways to stand out from the crowd. The vehicles themselves are important, but they are only one part of the presentation. Lighting, architecture, giant digital displays, interactive experiences, product demonstrations, and trained staff all work together to create a memorable impression. In many ways, an auto show is a marketing battlefield. Every company wants visitors to stop, take photos, ask questions, and most importantly, remember their brand long after they leave. That is where promotional staff play an important role. For many visitors, these representatives are the first point of contact with a brand. They welcome guests, guide them through exhibits, answer questions, explain product features, and help manage the flow of visitors. A well-designed booth may attract attention, but human interaction often keeps people engaged. And in an exhibition hall filled with thousands of people, engagement is everything. Modern auto shows are also designed for the age of social media. Every day, visitors capture millions of photos and videos. Content creators, influencers, journalists, and ordinary visitors are constantly looking for interesting moments to share online. Manufacturers understand this. They know that a successful auto show presentation doesn't end when someone leaves the venue. It continues on social media platforms where photos, videos, and discussions can reach millions more people around the world. That's why companies invest so heavily in creating visually impressive displays and memorable experiences. Every element is carefully planned. The vehicle placement, the lighting, the stage design, the technology demonstrations, the interactive displays, and yes, the promotional staff as well. Together, these elements create an environment that encourages visitors to stop, look, and engage. Walking through Auto China 2026, it was fascinating to see how different brands approached this challenge. Some booths focused on futuristic technology. Others emphasized luxury and elegance. Some created immersive digital experiences with giant LED screens and interactive displays. And many relied on professional representatives to help bring their brand identity to life. What stood out most was how every booth had its own personality. Even when two companies were displaying similar vehicles, the atmosphere around them could feel completely different. That difference was often created through presentation rather than the product itself. In today's competitive automotive industry, attention is one of the most valuable resources a company can earn. The brands that attract attention are the brands people remember. And the brands people remember are often the ones that gain customers in the future. So the next time you visit an auto show, look beyond the vehicles. Pay attention to the design of the booth, the flow of visitors, the lighting, the displays, the people interacting with guests. Because what you're seeing is much more than a collection of cars. You're seeing a carefully designed marketing strategy in action. An auto show is not just about showcasing automobiles. It's about telling a story, creating an experience, and building a connection between a brand and its audience. And that is the real reason why every auto show booth has promotional staff. So let's continue watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.